Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, wherever you may be. Today I want to go through two things. I want to share with you a story that made me feel really good and is another reason why I do what I do. And the other thing I want to do is maybe scare you just a little bit. First of all, the story. I was working with an individual, and it is my custom that whenever we're working together, all cell phones have to be off. This individual came to me and says, "Joe, I'm really expecting a very important call. Do you mind if I keep my cell phone on?" And I said, "Yeah, no problem. Hey, I'm not that big a jerk. If you've got something big that's happening, of course you want to keep it on." Sure enough, halfway through the session, the cell phone goes off and it's the call he's been expecting. He asked me if he could take it. I said, of course. And he took it, and I'm listening to the interchange between the two parties. And lo and behold, he hangs up, pumps his fist, and says, "All right, I just closed for 4 units." And I went, "Fantastic. So what's your January looking like?" And he said it was the best January he's ever had in his life. Here we are. It's the last week of January. It's Thursday. We've got today and tomorrow, and then it's over. If you've bought into the January sales lie, a blog that I wrote about 3 weeks ago, then you're bought into that concept that nothing ever gets done in January. Nothing happens in January. There's no business. It's too cold. People have still got the Christmas hangover. The Visa bill hits from the Christmas, and you're all depressed about it. So nothing ever gets done in January. If you've bought into that lie and you basically took January off, or you're very inactive in January, you've wasted pretty much 8% of your year, which means you're 8% behind. But you're not. You're almost 20% behind already. Here's the reason. Take into account all the holidays that we do have. For example, Family Day coming up here in Canada, President's Day. We've got Easter coming up. We got Memorial Day. We have Victoria Day, Thanksgiving. There's about 12 of them, 10 to 12 times that you're off a year. Now add to that your own holidays, be it 2 weeks or 3 weeks. There's a whole month of holidays that you're not working. You're not 8% behind. You're almost 20% behind if you've decided to take January off. In other words, you've only got a 80% chance of reaching your number. Now you got to work even harder in order to get your number. Don't buy into the monthly lies. February's coming up. There is going to be a blog on the February sales lie. I plan on doing one for every month on what we as salespeople think of lies for us to be inactive during that time. Don't buy into it, because all you're doing is putting yourself behind the 8 ball. Be like my client. Have the best month of your career in any month. It is possible. For more tips, go to my website, which is www.thehighriseconcept.com. You can always reach me on Twitter at Joe DaSilva55 or on Facebook, Joe DaSilva Coaching. Again, this is Joe DaSilva from the High Rise Concept. Remember, if you're no better tomorrow than you were yesterday, you've wasted today. Until next time, thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.